Hi, welcome to a tutorial on OpenLM. Now we'll see how we can connect the OpenLM server to a new and also to an existing SQL Server database. First of all, you need to open your Management Studio. Right-click Databases, New Database, and let's call it Test1. Click OK. Then find that database, here it is, Test1. Right-click it and click Properties. Go to Options and select the case sensitivity, which is case sensitive, CS. CI is case insensitive, CS case sensitive. You'll need that. Doesn't matter which one, which collation, as long as it fits your language, but it has to be case sensitive. So click OK. Now we have the database, but it's empty. The OpenLM server cannot use it because it's empty. The OpenLM server needs a certain structure. So we'll go to the same server holding OpenLM server, and we will go to all programs, OpenLM, and we have here the upgrade OpenLM database from earlier versions. So let's click on that. Click continue. And now let's select the server that we want. So it's an SQL server. This is the server and instance. This is the user ID, password. And then I click here to check which databases I could choose from. So it's test1, click test, and it's successful. Let's click apply. And now it's creating the schema in the database. It's creating all the tables that OpenLM needs. So now that it's done, let's again open up the OpenLM database configuration before we opened up upgrade OpenLM database from earlier versions. Now we'll use OpenLM database configuration tool. So click on that. Now again, choose the server that you'd like. Input all the details. And click here to get the list. Oh. So click here, we get the full list. Again, let's choose test1, click test, connection successful, click apply, and this actually connects it to the database. So there were 3 steps here. We created the database, we created the tables on the database, and then we connected to the database. And if we take a look at the database now, let's refresh it and take a look at the tables. So now we have all the tables in the OpenLM database. And that's it. Thanks. Bye.